So let's review finding the area of quadrilaterals. We have a trapezoid here, so find your formula for the area of a trapezoid, and the first thing we're going to do is write it down. And now we're going to plug in 1/2. The height is perpendicular top to bottom, coming at a 9-degree angle, so I know that's 4. Base 1, base 2, doesn't matter which one you put where. So I'm going to take half of 4, which is going to give me 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. It's going to leave me the area is 14. Don't forget centimeters squared. Area is units squared. Okay, we've got a parallelogram, and we know the area of a parallelogram is just base times height. So let's plug in base times height, and that's going to give us the area is equal to 40 centimeters squared. That's kind of similar to a rectangle, but this one, remember, is a parallelogram. And then we have a rhombus. The area, write the formula first, is 1/2 d1 times d2. It's going to give me 1/2 of 6 times 7. Two ways you can do it. 1/2 of 42, which is going to give you the area of 21. Oh, I never put units of measure. Let's say this is centimeters. So this would be centimeters squared. Or let's come back to this step right here. If I want to go ahead and take my half here, I'm going to take half of 6, which is 3 times 7, which is still going to give me 21 centimeters squared. Either way, you can do it like that. And that's your review. So now you can go practice on your assignments.